Alright everyone, I'm here with another layout. My sister took my nieces to a petting farm, I guess. And so her oldest is with the goats, and it looks like she's teasing him. And so I only have this little piece of floral left, so I'm gonna back my photos with that, which that's Cardabella's summer market. And this is layout number 9. I get one more out of this one. So this one I titled Playing Hard to Get. Right, pattern. We're still going to be just a tiny, tiny bit. Just a tiny, tiny bit. There's no perfect. It's leaning. It's either leaning because the squirrels. So I'm going to put it here so that way. Oh no, there's birds in there. He's right there. Sheep. She's eating from that one. There you go. Oh, cool. I can't see with my. I'm not going to hurt you, Rudy. I'm just moving this out of the way. So, there we go. So, maybe I went to fog over a little bit. Okay. Cool. She's eating from that one. So, sorry, back to my layout. The strawberry pattern is Maggie Holmes' Sweet Story as well. And the stripes, I'm going to use that lemon stripe since it's the farm. And well, at any rate, though, that lemon pattern is Summer Market from Cartabella. And I remember that because the texture is very thick. And it's not a smooth texture. It's kind of like the basil cardstock. It has kind of a rough texture to the surface. And I was looking through the die cuts, but the only thing that worked is the cherry from the Maggie Holmes Sweet Story die cuts. And then the rest I get from Cartabella's Summer Market. So I want to use that locally grown. Did I scare my cardinal off? I guess so. Where'd she come back? She may. So I use a lot of stickers on this layout. I've been this and I forgot the last couple of days. Oh boy. Alright, so plain is Hip Kit Club's exclusive alphabet stickers from Long Basket. And then to hard is American Craft Sweet Pea Thickers. And then to get is Pink Fresh Studio Super Cool. And that's the darker blue is the plain, of course, that stickers right there, those are the Hip Kit Clubs. And then hard is going to be the Sweet Pea Thickers, which are those pink ones. And I'm not sure what happened to me. Huh. Maybe I went to the door to see my husband off to work and I forgot to hit stop record. I think what happens, I hit stop, but it didn't actually stop. Excuse me. And then when I come back, I went to hit record and it was recording. Yeah, I think that's what happened. Oh no, I think I know what I did. My scissors was, you can see I'm getting tan. Oh, and my pretty's back. So this is where I put the title towards the top. And when I get the title down, that's pretty much gonna complete my kit, or complete my layout. And so when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.